most for people to know is that in spite of the many arguments and differences we had along the way, and in spite of all those early compromises, both between the president, Dave Morris, and myself as the vice president, and between us and Commodore also, I believe that Dave Morris and I have both finally achieved our goals. The Amiga now has become both the best game machine and the best computer available in its price range. Some claim at any price, but I think they exaggerate a little bit.
I was looking for something like the Amiga that would do the things that the Amiga does, paint box, animation, things of that nature. I was looking at various and sundry systems, and when I saw that the Amiga 2000 line was going to be released by Commodore, I thought that looked interesting and decided to pick up the dealership for the product line, and then proceeded to sell the equipment back into the video industry.
$150,000 system. If you can network these machines to the high-end machines and send the data files over there to render, now you get the best of both worlds. You get a low-cost conceptualization station, and then you get to render in 16 million colors in whatever resolution you want. Even though our product can do it on an Amiga. I mean, we can render in 4K by 4K resolution, 16 million colors. But does that make sense? Does it make sense to blow out your Amiga with a gigabyte worth of storage and 030 boards and one single to frame controller, one VCR, an inch deck, or have 20 Amigas networked to a pixel machine that renders in real time with one big frame buffer, one single frame controller, one VCR? 20 people can be designing and then rendering on this big workstation and doing this very efficiently at a much lower cost than you could, per person you could even blow the Amiga out to do. And so that is basically where we're going with the machine, and where the Amiga, I think, in at least the professional arena, is the biggest place it's going to make its name.
GVP is a manufacturer of hard drive solutions, and that's really where we got our start about a year and a half ago. And initially our products concentrated on giving the customer a little more bang for his dollar in the sense of multifunctionality. The initial product that we came out with had RAM capability as well as our SCSI, our famous SCSI controller, on one board, same board. So what that did for the customer, the Amiga customer, was save a slot, an important slot, as well as give them some excellent performance in the controller area. And really the most exciting area right now is our 68030 board, which is really going to propel GVP into an area which is exciting. I mean, the 68030 is a product that is just an impressive board. It's running at 25 megahertz. It comes with a socket for a math coprocessor.